of Kongthong in East Khasi Hills, a voice was heard calling out to one and all to gather around for the Shad Puja, which is the annual Thanksgiving dance of the Right Kongthong. The Sardar of Right Kongthong, Tabor Linra, along the elders of the village, sat in front of the altar, and in front of him was a basket and some plants. Paying obeisance to the Maker, he sought blessings for a bountiful harvest and protection throughout the year. Young and old sat on the ground to witness the Thanksgiving prayer. As soon as the prayers were over, little children rushed to take part in the dance. Shad Puja is a dance where the people of the village, which has over 130 households, take part, and this is a way of expressing gratitude to the Maker and to seek the Almighty's blessings.
Yang kita pediang mafi play, semua play ngon ong pediang mafi play nanti mengenai semua kon.
Nadu handain sai nadu ba laseng hia ka long sino long thau ni da kita ki saukur ki jongi ki badai ka pondong kalendra bajau bat kongsit di hadin bangi ju pelong ya kangu kedem sistem sistem ya kan ni kalian nem le rukom rengkat ka syat kemen uju khot le ka syat puja hi balai ka ni khot le ka syat puja kalong ba hagan ni kalian nem le rukom ko jungi hagan ni ka ngu blai ka dem blai ka jungi ngim sem la ya pan ya ka daw ngim sem ya kli ya ka daw ndai habangi pendep ya ka nem ka rukom usoda rengkat ki matabol bat ki teman ki rosan